Calendly tutorial for beginners. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this updated Calendly tutorial for beginners, I'm excited to share how you can simply use Calendly and all the impressive features to better streamline your day-to-day scheduling and meeting processes. Okay, so before we go ahead and launch into Calendly, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel. So to get started with Calendly, if it's your first time using this free appointment scheduling software, simply head over to your browser and type in calendly.com and that's going to take you here. A scheduling automation solution for every team drive results, meeting by meeting. Calendly automates scheduling so teams can focus on delivering results. Calendly is a free online appointment scheduling software that helps people find and book time with each other quickly and easily. It eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails to find a mutually agreeable time, and it can be integrated with a variety of other tools, such as calendars, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. Calendly works by creating a scheduling link that you can share with potential meeting attendees. When someone clicks on the link, they will be able to see your availability and choose a time that works for them. Calendly will then send you a confirmation email with the meeting details. Calendly offers a variety of features, including team scheduling. Calendly can be used to schedule meetings for teams of all sizes. You can create different scheduling links for different teams or departments, and you can also set up permissions so that only certain people can see and book certain times. Recurring meetings. Calendly can be used to schedule recurring meetings, such as weekly one-on-one meetings or monthly team meetings. You can set up recurring meetings to automatically book time on your calendar, and you can also send reminders to meeting attendees before the meeting starts. Integrations. Calendly can be integrated with a variety of other tools, such as calendars, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. This allows you to streamline your workflow and automate tasks related to scheduling meetings. Calendly is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, and it is used by millions of people around the world. Product, team scheduling. Schedule meetings for multiple people with ease. Availability preferences. Set your availability and let Calendly find times that work for everyone. Calendar connections. Sync Calendly with your calendar to avoid conflicts. Embeds. Add Calendly links to your website or email signature. Routing forms. Collect information from meeting attendees before the meeting starts. Workflows. Automate tasks related to scheduling meetings. Solutions. Buy role sales. Speed up your sales cycle and increase revenue. Keep meetings moving forward so you can focus on engaging your prospects and closing more deals. Marketing. Convert leads to meetings, faster. Create a better experience for high-value prospects, automate the handoff to sales, and fill your pipeline with quality leads. Customer success. Increase customer retention and growth. Ensure customers can reach you and stay connected at every stage of their journey to improve their experience and increase satisfaction. Recruiting. Better recruitment scheduling. Connect with top talent faster, improve the candidate experience, and automate scheduling busywork. Revenue operations. Better meetings equals more revenue. Hitting your revenue targets just got a whole lot easier. Information technology. Secure connections. Empowered teams. Bring your teams together in a centrally managed scheduling automation platform with complete oversight and visibility. All teams. Schedule together, win together. Get the right people in the room to quickly close deals, hire candidates, and connect with clients. Solutions. By industry. Technology. The scheduling competitive edge for tech companies. Create new revenue ops, win more deals, grow ARR faster, and reach team milestones with scheduling speed and personalization. Financial services. Grow your business with automated client scheduling. Modernize your client experience, deepen strategic relationships, and improve productivity with secure appointment scheduling that delights clients and gives your business a competitive advantage. Professional services. Best-in-class service for your clients. Improve the scheduling experience, from booking through follow-up, and make it easy for your team to focus on moving client work forward. Education. Drive student success with simplified scheduling. Reduce costs and improve your student services by streamlining scheduling for everything from admission interviews to office hours and advising, making the resources they need more accessible. Solutions. By size. Enterprise. Solve external scheduling for enterprise. Calendly powers scheduling for over 4 out of 5 Fortune 500 companies. Small and medium businesses, smarter scheduling for the whole team, whether it's sales revenue, recruiting pipeline, or customer retention. Scheduling automation enables everyone to hit team goals faster. Individuals, the genius way to work better. Calendly makes it easy to work smarter when you're working solo. You can use Google to sign in, and this will also ask you if you want to allow Calendly to sync up with your Google Calendar. So if you want Calendly to sync up with your Google Calendar, you can also do that. After click on allow, we are on intro settings page. On this page we are see our Calendly URL. Now, let's get started into the basic interface of Calendly, and also we can see the time zone. After verify the given details, click on continue button. Now we are on the next page, which we can see the confirmation message from Calendly. On this page we will see our email address, which is connected with Calendly. After the verification of email, click on continue button. So now we are on availability setting page, where we set our availability time, hours and days. After set our availability hour and days, click on continue button. We are move on another windows where we set our day-to-day role at work. On this page we can select only one option. After click the desired option, click on the finish button. So this is what Calendly is going to look like. On your top right, you're going to have your account settings. If you click on that, then you will find your name. This is going to be your business name, so you can change it to whatever you want. I am going to just change it to Aman Marketing, and then you have your welcome message. After set the profile name and welcome message, we are set the other desired settings like language, date format, country, and time settings. Now we click on save changes for save all settings. Now after that, you have a branding section as well. So in this section, you can add your logo image. You can also add it to all users in your organization. Obviously, people can book with multiple different people over here as well. Then you have your calendar connections. Now you can sync this with any of your pre-existing calendars. If you want to do it with your Google account, you can also click on add calendar account. And we can just go on ahead and upgrade our program, and you can integrate with multiple different calendars, but I don't need to upgrade right now. And then if I go on to my home section over here, you will see your event types, your scheduled events, whatever you have upcoming. Then you have a workflow. And for workflows you do have to upgrade to a premium version of Calendly. And then you have routing and analytics. Let's get started with creating a basic event. So if you click on event types or just click on create on the top right over here, you have 4 basic types of events. First, one-on-one. One host with one invitee. Second, group. One host with group of invitees. Third, collective. More than one host with one invitee. Fourth, round robin. One rotating host with one invitee. Now let's start create an event. Select any type of event from given. After selection, the type of event. We are see the another windows where we select the who will host this one-on-one event type. Select the host, and click on next button. Now we are on a new windows where we enter the event details like event name, duration, and location. We will select any location like Zoom, phone call, and in-person meeting, or also we can select the Google Meet. After enter all details, click on continue button. Now your event type is ready. Click on done. You can also upgrade the features with their premium plans. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.